So we have completed 16 Lower Meddon Street.
She's finally complete-ish. Well, no, she is. She is complete.
It's been a long journey. New doormat.
New
Definitely no draft under this door.
No drill. This is my pride and joy. The electrical cupboard made of stuff. And we've got stained glass at the top. All the lights work. Thank God.
And when we come through, the hallway is now pristine, a blank canvas.
Hooray!
The parquet flooring is all waxed and perfect.
Nice little stained glass number from a bin.
Which Adam reglazed with period glass.
Yeah, and restored. It's all
And
lovely.
restored.
This is
Rehung.
our reclaimed parquet floor. As mad as a barrel of monkeys, obviously, because there are no straight lines in this house. So you can see there's a curve, which is very difficult to do with parquet.
And in the middle, there is a face.
Pareidolia, apparently.
Pareidolia. This house is pareidolia. That's the fireplace we're trying to sell. But it is all immaculate.
And everything works.
And everything functions.
Yeah.
New light fittings.
Yeah. Crap lighting.
It's a bit yellow.
And we've got this thing, the uplighter, which I wanted to turn over so it looked like a Space Invader. But
Space Invader.
Rosie said no. This is fair enough. Hi robots. The cupboards are original. Most of the features in this cupboard. Now, when I got this place was, to be frank, fucked. And
Through curved wall, and into the kitchen.
this is probably the first time. Ah, it's so beautiful. This is gorgeous.
The mosaic is all the man-made stuff we picked off the beach, and it's like a representation of two sides of the river, of the estuary of Appledore and Instow. The kitchen is reclaimed and rebuilt.
Yeah.
The fireplace is more pareidolia, more finding faces and things.
Yeah.
There's Pete the Pipe.
The windows are all obviously I put these in, but the wall is insulated, so there's I had to redo the lime wall, but Rosie can testify to the fact that this was a cave.
It was a bear
A
cave.
little bear cave.
There was holes in the wall where the cupboards are now.
Yeah.
And now it's super insulated, and the door Adam built from 2x4.
4x4.
4x4, sorry, it's a ginormous door, and it's he had the glazing units made.
That's an old bed with mahogany.
The window in the above the mosaic, and it's got curved features like waves at the top and the bottom, which were from the bed, the little cactus. And then outside,
Oh, I've just locked the door, sorry. I think we're going to go out.
it's going to take too long.
Here is the rest of the house.
The shed. We've got the last thing is to put some shuttering on the hole on the side of the shed there.
Yeah.
The hot loving oven, pizza oven. It's all done, all mosaic, and it goes up and up.
Rather than down.
It's gorgeous sun trap in the summer. Not on a grey day.
Chevley Fort over there, which is the old round pen encampment.
View of the river, through the trees, all the rooftops.
Again, everything's reclaimed and recycled. Single tile roof.
The rose chair back from the tip.
Yeah.
The slate's all been cut, so it's tingle tiled and rather beautiful.
Yeah. We're actually standing on the remnants of the house. All the stuff that came out, all the damp stuff.
All the rotty things.
But it enabled us to create this lovely terrace.
And Adam's cut the sun and some hearts into the lime render on the back, which is really lovely. This video is going to be far too long for anyone to want to watch. Then we go up the stairs. We exposed the stone wall and then lime washed it.
You can see the original construction of the house.
So that's how the house is built.
1790. What a beauty.
The staircase is all finished.
Yeah, we found some horrific things as I was renovating the staircase.
Things under the stairs are rather revolting.
No longer there. Thank God.
We've got new flooring at the top of the stairs, which is oak, and a new oak laminate in the bathroom.
Which is ready for people to tile if they want to.
Blues moved place, sink's done. Bird window, lizard, and we go through into what was the orange bedroom.
The orange room. The orangery. The old jet set Willie.
Which has got a big cast iron fireplace. The boiler is in that cupboard there. It's all vented out.
All the windows work. Hooray!
View out to the river that side.
And the church on this side. St Mary's.
The measure of the bathroom lights.
And the river, of course. Which is rather beautiful.
Big windows all restored. Staircase is immaculately waxed and finished. View out to the church. All the yellow walls are white.
Rosie, well done. Rosie to the Meddon house.
Top back bedroom. I've shown video of this before. Stone wall.
Yeah, but the
Beautiful
floor's done now.
fireplace. The floor is now totally clean and waxed.
The river's full.
River.
Filling up.
The tide is filling up. Sadly, a grey day again in Bideford, but it is March.
Match. Where the eyes of March.
The top bedroom, all dry, all finished.
See across to the folly. This is a little castle thing over there.
There's the folly. You can't really see on the phone video, but it's there. And the river. Top of
The
Bull
old
Hill.
Iron Age encampment over there, which we think our friendly archaeologist is discovering. And the old slipway.
So Adam, you've done it. How do you feel?
Emotional.
We are both so tired. We've reached a point of hysteria. Hopefully on the market next week.
Pub.
Pub.